Hi, my name is Ryan Hefner, and today we are going to assemble an Equilibar disposable back pressure regulator. This is the Equilibar disposable regulator, and this is the non-disposable body cradle which will house and hold the disposable piece each time you want to use it. On the bottom of the cradle is a flow directional sticker. It's important that the outlet of the regulator align with the flow direction. To begin, this is the disposable back pressure regulator. The top of the regulator is defined by the orifice plate, and the bottom has this negative empty cavity. The inlet, when looking at the regulator, will be on your left, and there will be a cluster of inlet orifices. And the outlet port will be defined by a larger dispersed field of orifices. To assemble the unit, take the regulator, keeping in mind the flow direction, and press it into the body cavity. Next, take the reference cap. The top of the reference cap will be defined by the port that is threaded, where you will supply pneumatic pilot pressure. The bottom will have a crush pad. Place the crush pad into the body. There will be a self-aligning feature with the body relative to the reference cap that will not require any specific orientation for installation. Finally, we take a standard 4-inch tri-clamp and assemble the unit together. Once the tri-clamp is hand tight, this completes the installation.